jack him.
Catch and cook jack, crevalle, jerk jack. Cold breezes, man. I want the fish them now go bite into this, man. Till come out 6 o'clock on the water, trolling, start trolling about the clock after 6, so we're trolling for about 25 minutes, 25 or 30 minutes. I don't hook up anything yet, but sometimes we troll for hours and we don't hook up nothing, so until about 2 hours time. Maybe when the sun come out and the place get a little brighter, we start hook up, you know. So captain hook up, guys. Yeah, captain upon it. But what comes so easy? I'm a king, you know. I'm so far this city, man. See them there, see the bait them right there, now that's it, innit? Handline hook up, you know, jack crevalle, handline hook up. Fish on. Alright guys, so this is Mr. Jack. This is the jack we caught today and we're going to prepare it because we're going to cook it up. It's about an 8 pounder. It's about an 8 pounder. Alright, so we're going to clean this one, we're going to scale it. So we're going to use a knife to scale it first of all. This thing here, we have to get rid of this. Alright, that. So the meat red right here. And the only thing you can do with this kind of fish is jerk it. So let us get into it. Cut off that here. Remove those. Yes, everybody knows to scale a fish already, you know. Yeah man, everybody knows to do this already. So basically we use this knife, this fork and scale the fish. We're gonna just cut it up like this. Stake it so with some markings on it. You don't worry to gut it. Right? So stake it like that. Right? Stake it. This thing's supposed to be sharp, you know, so. Alright, so we're staking it up now. So we're gonna wash with the 2 silver orange when they finish. Alright, and prepare it. So we will come back. 8 pounds of jack crevalle, ready to season and put on the grill. Alright. See here? 8 pounds. So the meat don't look so red anymore because I wash it out. Wash out all the blood. That is the head. Curry that. Alright. So we're going to season this one up, put it to marinate and then throw it on the grill. So we catch you on the grill. So you have the onion and the scallion and the garlic, the fish, And I have all the powder seasoning, and this we're going to use this also. We're going to use this also. Walkers with jerk seasoning. This is what we're going to use to put on it to give it that jerk flavor. Because remember, it's jerk. We're going to jerk this fish. Alright? So this is what we're going to use. I have 2 bottles. This one almost finished. And then now the powder seasoning is right there. I have this bottle to crush up this seasoning right here. Alright, so 1 onion. You can put 1 onion inside of it. 1 onion on it. I want the flavors to soak. Yeah, I should just cut up in this because I might cut off my finger. I'm a big time chef like all some of you guys, you know. Salt and black pepper mixed together. I make this mixture. All purpose. That's so. All purpose seasoning. I think this is alright. I'm not putting any more on it because I don't want it too strong. Tell me how that look. See that, guys? How that look? Like a real jerk fish, don't it? Ooh. Flip him over. Right. Flip him over, flip him over. Just keep firm in, man. Look at it. Firm. That's why the only thing I can do with this jack is jerk it in. That's the only way I like this jack, I'll tell you. Jerk it. Look at it. Firm. Look like steak. See how it's firm? So we're gonna cover it up back. Let it continue to do its thing. Alright, so it's smoking. Come on, almost done now, guys, almost done. That's almost done. Yes. If you light. Now. Yeah, this one actually done. So this side actually done. Oh, this one kind of burn. Oops. This one burn right here. So what is alright? Kind of too strong. Alright guys, this piece is all done now. This one. All done. So let us check the rest. Let me soak a little more. Nice and brown. Nice. Look at that, guys. This thing's beautiful. Look at that. Jerk it up, jerk it up, jerk it up. Seasoning go and soak in it. Jerk it up. Alright guys, so I have this little piece here now. The one that I took out the first piece. It's called cooked, see there? All cooked. Alright, so I'm going to taste this one and let you see now. Alright, so I'm going to just remove that little black part here. Remove the skin, always remove the skin, the skin don't taste so good. Remove the skin. Remove the flesh. So remove all the bones. And I was going to put a little bit of pepper on it. To your taste now, to your taste. Alright. And I love ketchup, so I'm going to put some ketchup. Yeah. This is what you have now, guys. Nice and juicy. Right. This is good, mom. Huh? Great job. That's just the seasoning and everything. Man, tasting great. Alright guys, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe, like, share, comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Fish on.